Hi folks, Randy with Guarantee today. Today we're going to look at a Freedom Express in their new pilot series. Let's go check out the inside. So the cool part about this guy is that it's a small footprint that weighs just about 3,600 pounds. So towable with anything. But I'm getting a north and south queen bed. I'm getting a slide out. I'm getting a nice kitchen, a nice bathroom, lots of overhead storage. Double door fridge, not a half refrigerator, no carpeting throughout, a cool, clean layout. Even the countertops are solid surface in this, okay? So they are not a Formica glued onto chipboard, they're real deal. All that still weighs up to 3,600 pounds, so you can tow this with just about anything. And I get a north-south bed with a slide. So we have a nice big deep sink in this, plenty of counter space to do prep work. We got a nice sink cover and the stove cover on here for extra working area space. You see how they've got the TV tucked in the corner, so you can see it from the couch or from the bed. Lots of overhead storage. Nice floor plan. The dining room table is freestanding. You can use the table outside under your awning, set it up here in front of your couch when you're having dinner, or use it for storage just on the outside. Again, the bigger fridge. We have a nice pantry, a hanging clothes closet, waste paper basket over here already built in, and then we get a nice bathroom that has a great shower with a lot of light from a big skylight. Just a small, short, lightweight, nice trailer, well built, laminated aluminum frame, fiberglass sided coach that weighs 3,600 pounds. So another footprint option for people with a very light duty tow rig that gives you some options on this. Does have the air conditioning, LED lighting, USB hookups. It's loaded to go, and it's 3,600 pounds dry. So let's look at the outside stuff, because it has some cool features. So as we come out, you'll see we have a nice power awning. It's one touch, like that commercial, the Sunsetter TV, the awnings like that. It's push button with a nice light bar underneath for nighttime living. It does have nice radial tires. They ain't the cheap ones. They're a radial tire. They do have pre-wiring for solar panel here. So if you have a portable solar panel, the wiring's already in, it'll charge your batteries. You plug it into that. And I'm a portable guy. I have a Zamp solar system I use. We have a nice pass-through storage across the front. Let's check how big that is. That's the box for the TV there and your power cord, but that's a huge area. Probably the biggest front storage in any small trailer. Lots of room. The key to this though is you're trying to still pack light so it stays light so you can tow it. So you gotta kind of watch. I like it has magnetic catches, so those aren't plastic that break off all the time. That'll last you for years. Across the front, we get a nice power hitch jack that'll lift and you don't have to crank anything. It does have a manual in case you have to crank it overhead. It's on the top. It has a propane cover. Our spare's in the front where it needs to be, not on the back bouncing around. Nice cap in the front with nice LED lighting. Nice diamond plate kick guard. Sharp looking, nice aerodynamic design. They wind tunnel test these things out to get the best slope they can get with the nice grooves for airflow. Pretty cool feature, I like it. Again, our slide outs on this side, our fresh water's on this side. All our hookups are right here together. Our dumping station's on the bottom, our power's right here for the cord that's in the front. Our outside shower here with hot and cold water for the kids, the feet, the dog, all the cool stuff. Backwater flush, seated water hookup, cable, and satellite. It has everything, and it's 19 feet and 3,600 pounds. And you can tow it with about anything. The Freedom Express Pilot. Why don't you come out and take a look at it with me? I'd be happy to show it to you. And thanks for shopping at Guarantee.